Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, hello, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today's video is going to be my April BoxyCharm unboxing, and if you guys don't know what BoxyCharm is, it's a monthly makeup subscription box. This is just the base box right here, and it retails for $25 a month. They do have a premium box, which is $35 a month. And then they do have a seasonal box, which is Boxy Luxe, and I think that retails for $50 a month. I do have my BoxyCharm link in the description box in all of my videos if you guys are interested in signing up. If you are, I definitely recommend looking at what the gift is for that month for signing up, because that's what determined me to sign up when I did. Also, if you guys are interested in my thoughts on my March Boxy Luxe, I did not get a video out for it because I tried to film that video like 6 times and it just wasn't happening. There was always either noise outside or something went wrong, or I just didn't like the footage. But I will leave the little Instagram link if you guys are interested on my thoughts on my March Boxy Luxe, so you guys can just check it out, what I got there and what my thoughts were. And yeah, if you guys want to see what I got in my box and how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Alright, so first things are these cards, and this first one is just a coupon for the makeup eraser, and then the next one is the card with the items, and I already opened it up and did the math, so I didn't have to do that later. So this is just all the items that we get in the box, as well as a discount for Misguided, and then some stuff about Boxy Pop-Up and about Boxy Luxe. Alright, so next is the eyeshadow palette, and this was a choice item between this and like an Elemis product, I think, and I completely missed the choice. I guess it was in the bottom of an email instead of like at the top of the BoxyCharm email, so I saw whatever the regular email was. I don't know if it was like shipment on my other box or whatever it was, but I completely missed the choice window, so I had no idea about anything in this box that I was gonna get. The color story, it is a really pretty neutral palette. Does not come with a mirror. These are really pretty. So you get 6 matte shades here, and then you get 4 shimmer shades. I've never tried anything from Zoeva, so I'm definitely excited to try this. I've heard really good things. It's a very pretty warm neutral palette, and yeah. Alright, so overall, like, I don't know, it's a decent palette. This shade right here is just a matte with gold glitter, so it's not technically a shimmer shade, because like hardly any of that gold glitter translates on my eyes. I did get very little fallout from that shade as well, but yeah. Overall, it's a pretty palette. It retails for $28. So it says, the Zoeva eyeshadow palette offers a range of highly pigmented and easy to blend shadow shades in tempting hues for ultra glamorous makeup looks. The formulation of the eyeshadows is enriched with vitamin E. So blendable, like this white as well, like very pigmented for a white. It's not the most insane white, but it's a decent white for a matte white shadow. So I'm happy with it. 3 sheet masks from Tony Moly, and for the 3 of these they retail for $9, so they're $3 each. So they have a illuminating lotus face mask, a purifying cactus face mask, and a calming hemp face mask. And I'm not going to use any of these today. I already moisturized and did all my skincare and stuff before this video, but I will be using sheet masks, so I'm definitely excited about these. And it says, replenish your skin with I'm Real sheet masks. The 3-layer pulp sheet is filled with natural ingredients and soaked in different types of enriched essences to yield maximum hydration for your skin. Transform dull and tired skin to healthy moisturized skin in as little as 20 minutes. This is the Benefit Professional, and this is the hydrating one. And I have traditional Professional, but that was like way back when, like I think I was still in high school when I tried it. It looks like here. And alright, so the primer comes out kind of looking the same as the initial, like original primer, where it's just like a tinted, like I don't know how well it's picking up on camera. Let me see, but it's like a skin tone primer. And it feels kind of cold on the skin. Like I don't know if hydrating just means like cold when it comes to like products. Oh no, okay. It's starting to like pill. I don't know if I just didn't put enough primer on and I'm trying to spread a little bit to go too far. I'll definitely have to keep testing this out. But I'm just going to take my NYX Born to Glow foundation and apply this onto my face on top of the primer. Okay, so the foundation went on nicely over it and everything, but again, like I will have to keep trying it out. I'm kind of on the fence about this right now. But for $32, and that's really expensive considering you're not even getting an ounce of product in here, you're getting 0.75 ounces. Silky Smooth Hydrating Face Primer instantly moisturizes and refreshes skin, helps makeup stay put, and minimizes the look of pores and fine lines. It has the same oil-free, lightweight feel and pore minimizing power as the original Professional, plus 12-hour hydration for normal to dry skin. Right, so looking up close in the mirror, you can definitely, well, I can definitely see that my pores are more filled in. So maybe I just have to focus this primer on like my pores and not all over my face as a face. So I'm not going to set my face yet because I do have a liquid face product, and this is the Iconic London Illuminator, and this is the original shade, and it's just a liquid highlight, a little bit right there. So this is what it looks like, and it is so reflective. I thought it was going to be a little bit too dark, but I mean, it blends out nicely. Okay, so maybe not putting it on my nose is a good idea because this little stripe right here, it looks glowy on camera, but all the foundation rubbed off of that area right there. And it just looks like a streak of skin tone. So I'm gonna tap more foundation on top of that and pretend we didn't put liquid highlight there. So it's very intense on the swatch for this product, but applied it does not look insanely like blinding, but it does give a nice glow. I will play around with that because I'm definitely excited. I've heard so many good things about this that I've been wanting to try it, but it retails for $41, and that's literally why I've never picked it up. 0.45 ounces and it retails for $41. Like, that's really expensive. So I'm excited. Concentrated liquid shimmer can be added to your foundation, primer, or moisturizer, or simply used on its own for a super highlighted glow. Every drop of the super concentrated shimmer elixir glides on smoothly to bestow an ultra blendable glow. Mixing with like a moisturizer or something too, just to have a nice like glowy base to like more makeup-y days. I don't know. I will see. I'm definitely excited to have this though, like I'm not gonna lie. Going back to the eyes, now that we have our foundation and stuff on, I'm going to take the two corally peachy shades again, this shade and this shade, and just run it on the lower lash line. And I did apply the blush over top of the highlight, and you can still see the highlight shining through a little bit, so that's really nice. You can tell it's definitely showing through over top of like blending blush on top of it. Yeah. I can get on with this highlight. But the last item in the box is this Lip It Up satin lipstick from Dose of Colors in the shade Glazed. What the packaging looks like, it's just so beautiful. Like, oh, this is the one with, yeah, the unique like applicator shape. That looks so I don't know. This made it look like it was a nude color, but like this seems kind of pink. And we all know how I feel about pink over here. So try it on, and if it's not a color that I would wear, I'm sure it's something my mom would wear. So at least I have her to give this to if I end up not liking it, but Okay, the shape makes it really easy to line like my bottom lip. It definitely looks different on person than in camera, but so not a color for me at all, but the applicator is so nice to line your lips. Let me try something really quick. I'm gonna take my Jordana Rockin' Rose lip liner, and then I'm just going to tap this into the center, kind of as like an ombre. Okay, so I brought it out a little bit further, but this is definitely a lipstick I would have to put over a lip liner. Like this I would wear, but yeah, definitely wouldn't wear this on its own. Satin lipstick is a richly pigmented formula in between a matte and creamy finish. Its unique shape allows for smooth and precise application, and it retails for $17. It went on really nicely, and I do really like the applicator shape, but just the color itself isn't something, again, that I would wear on its own, but like, I actually really like this lip combo, so I will see if my mom wants it when she comes to visit next, but if she doesn't, then at least like I know I can use it with a darker, more neutral lip liner. Alright, so the retail value for my box is $127, and I think for BoxyCharm's base box you're supposed to get a value of $120, $125, so I was just over the retail value for the box. Alright guys, so that was it for the video. If you guys get BoxyCharm, let me know what you guys thought about your box this month. And yeah, if you guys liked the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button down below, and turn on the bell notifications so you guys know every single time that I upload. And yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!